Apple is on the verge of stepping into the foldable arena, and 2026 could be the year we finally see the iPhone flip. Unlike the competition, Apple isn't just creating another foldable phone, it's aiming to fix the issues that have held this category back. One of the standout innovations comes from a report by Ming-Chi Kuo, revealing that the iPhone Flip will use a liquid metal hinge. This new hinge is designed to eliminate the crease problem that plagues current foldable displays, providing a smooth, uninterrupted surface that feels premium and durable. It's a key move for Apple, setting the stage for a flip phone that doesn't just mimic its rivals, but improves on their shortcomings. Battery life has always been the weak spot for flip phones, and Apple seems to be approaching this challenge with its usual precision. The company plans to incorporate its new carbon lithium battery technology, the same type coming to the iPhone 17 Air, allowing for a slimmer form factor without sacrificing performance. Traditional foldables split their batteries across two halves, which limits capacity, but this new approach should give the iPhone Flip a reliable lifespan while keeping the device thin and light. Apple appears to be taking lessons from the market leaders and solving the problems that early foldable adopters have had to live with. This new device also marks a quiet return of the mini concept. Fans of the iPhone 12 mini and 13 mini have long wanted something compact yet powerful. Folded, the iPhone Flip will deliver that ultra-pocketable feel, and when opened, it transforms into a larger screen experience for media and multitasking. It's a design that captures the practicality of the Mini while giving users a modern, flexible screen. Those familiar with smaller iPhones will understand that battery endurance might be slightly shorter than Apple's largest devices, but the convenience of a device that fits anywhere while unfolding into a full display is likely to win them over. Pricing will put the iPhone Flip squarely in premium territory, with Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 7 priced around $1,099, Apple's first foldable is expected to land in the $1,000 to $2,000 range, $1,200 range. The release window is anticipated for September 2026, following Apple's classic iPhone launch pattern, with an announcement mid-month and availability soon after. The iPhone Flip won't just be another device, it will represent Apple's first bold step into the foldable market, bringing its trademark blend of design, engineering, and refinement to a space that's been waiting for a true game changer.